Hi everyone. I just wanted to post this video to give you guys a little bit more guidance about how to access all of the technological things that we use in class. So I want to start by talking about how to navigate Canvas, both on the phone as well as on your computer. Because a lot of you guys have mentioned to me that you're very frustrated about how you don't feel like you can find assignments very easily. So I actually updated Canvas so that it's easier for you to find assignments, and I will also give you a phone tutorial, okay? Then I have an assignment on Canvas that says making a Calendly appointment, so I'll walk you through how to do that. And then I want to show you how to access Zoom meetings because, like I said, I will be having Zoom conferences every Tuesday. I will have office hours, so you guys can contact me through there. And then finally, I want to show you how to download Microsoft for free, okay? So hopefully this video can sort of help you do all of those things. So first, let's talk about Canvas. Now, I highly recommend that you use the computer when you're looking at Canvas, especially if you have to submit a Word document, because it's very difficult to submit a Word document on anything other than the computer, okay? But if you look here, for example, this is the home page that you would find on Canvas, okay? Mine says I'm in student view, so this is what you should see when you click on my 310 lecture, okay? So notice I have announcements up here. You should also be getting these as emails. So if you aren't, I'll show you how to change your notification preferences. Now here it will show you what is called overdue assignments. So maybe this is something that was due recently that you didn't submit. So that's September 12th at 8 a.m. this was due. Then it will show you upcoming assignments in the order that they are due. So notice journal entry 1 is due tomorrow. Then your great writing cause and effect essays. This assignment is going to be due on Thursday. Or sorry, this journal entry is due today, actually. Then this is due on Thursday in class. Notice it says 8 a.m., so this is due in class. And then this is due at the end of the day on Thursday. Okay, and I will show you how to do that in just a moment. Then these are called undated assignments. So this is where I will post materials for class, for example, or other information. So this is the materials that we did in class on the 5th. So I have the PowerPoint and the PDF and the parts of an essay document, so you guys could have reviewed that. And then I also have here information about transitions. A lot of you guys were really confused about transition sentences. So I posted a lot of information here that you could use for that, okay? And we're going to use some of that in our upcoming assignments. These are then past assignments that have already passed. So this one, the great writing, compare and contrast, your outline, and then your essay. To look for grades, you would go over here to your grades, and if I gave you a score, you would see the score. And over here in this section, if I leave you a comment or if I leave you information here, it'll show a comment and you can click on it and see the comment that I left you. So this is where you can see your grades. You could even click on it and see what you submitted for that assignment, okay? But if you click on the home button, it should now take you to assignments. Before it took you to the syllabus, but now it takes you to assignments, okay? So this is what I would do. On the side, you can see your to-do list. This would probably just show this class, but you can also see it if you go to your dashboard. Oh, well, if you could go to your dashboard, you would see that that to-do list exists for all of your classes, okay? Now I want to show you how to access my office hours as well. So if you see here, I posted, not under free Microsoft for students, but if you go to announcements, notice I made this post about virtual office hours. So if you see something underlined like this means that you can click on it and it will take you there. Now this is a previous office hour that I already held. It was from today from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. and I did actually have a student drop in, which was great. I loved having a student drop in. But normally what you would do is you would just click on that link and it will take you to the virtual office hours that I set up. Okay, so I will be posting virtual office hours announcements, and you guys can come and see my virtual office hours. You can also click on Confer Zoom over here, okay? And hopefully if you click on this link, it should also bring you to my office hours here as well, okay? But that's how to navigate Canvas and how to access office hours from this computer. I want to show you now how to access Word, okay? So I want to show you how to access Microsoft Word for free, and then I want to show you how to complete this Calendly appointment assignment, okay? So to access Microsoft Word for free, as you can see, I sent you this, okay? And see again, see how this will take a new window. So all you have to do is click on that, and it will take you to this website. And all you have to do is put your school email address here. So if I put simons@arc.losrios.edu, you click Get Started, and then you would say, I'm a student, right? And then I already have an account with them, so I would sign in. But you would create a new account since you do not have an account with them, okay? And you follow the instructions on that on how to do Microsoft Word, okay? Now, before I show you how to access Canvas on your phone, I do want to show you this assignment that I posted. So this is an assignment called Schedule an Appointment with Me. It's only worth 5 points, but it is categorized under your rewrites grade. So if you don't do this, your grade will drop significantly, even though this is only a 5-point assignment, okay? So please make sure you do it. It's really easy. So what I wanted to do this time, and for every subsequent essay that you write, instead of giving you your grade in class, I will only give you your essay with some of my comments. But in order to get your grade, and in order for you to get the comments that you need in order to improve your paper, I want you to meet with me one-on-one. And you're going to make an appointment with me on this website called Calendly. So all you do is, again, click on this, and see that you can choose a day. There's the 20th, the 23rd, and the 24th. Now the way you would do this is you click on your day, and it will offer you several times during that day. So maybe you want to do 11 a.m. on Friday the 20th. Maybe you can't do Friday, you want to do Monday. Notice my Monday availability is very, very long. I'm available all the way till 7:30 on Monday. So you can click any of these times. And on Tuesday, notice I have some availability only until 2:30, okay? So what you would do is you would click on a time, right? And then you would click confirm, and then you would give your name, your email. This can be any email that you want, okay? It doesn't have to be ARC. And then you're going to tell me how you want to talk to me. Unfortunately, I cannot at this time do an in-person interview, okay? I can't do in-person because I just can't. I have too busy of a schedule. But I could do Skype, a Zoom meeting, which is really easy for you. All I do is I send you a link and you click on the link, and that's how we do Zoom meeting. Google Hangouts, if you have a Google account. FaceTime, if you have an iPhone. WhatsApp, or we could even just do a normal phone call, okay? So if you really just want to talk to me on the phone, we can do a normal phone call as well. I do recommend something with video just because it's going to be easier for me to show you certain parts of your essay. But all you're going to do here is tell me which one you want, and then you'll click schedule event. What I will then do is I will reach out to you. I'll send you an email and I'll say, hey, I see that you've scheduled an appointment for this day at this time. What is your phone number, or how do you want to meet? Okay. So make sure you make the appointment by Thursday at 11:59 p.m., okay? You don't have to have the appointment. We don't have to meet, but you have to make the appointment on Calendly by this time, okay? Then, during the appointment, I want you to make sure that you have your paper. Make sure you have your essay while we meet. The meeting is not helpful to you unless you have your essay. So please make sure you have your essay when we have our meeting. Okay? Then, when we do the meeting, either online or by phone, I will go over the comments with you. I will email you a separate document that has separate comments on it. And I will also talk to you about the grade you received with the rubric, okay? And I will go over all of this with you in the meeting. So please make sure you do this soon. If you have questions, if you're really not sure how to do it, just send me an email and I will get back to you as soon as I can, and I will try to help you schedule an appointment, okay? So the last thing I want to do is show you how to do an appointment or how to use Canvas with your phone. Hi everyone, so now I want to show you how to access your Canvas through your phone so that you can see all of the assignments that I have updated on there. So if you look, it's going to be slightly different from what it looks like on the computer. Like I said, I prefer the computer view because it shows you in order the assignments that you need to do. But if you use the phone, it's going to be slightly different. So what you're going to do is, if you have your Canvas app, it looks like this little red Canvas symbol, okay? The yellow one is for teachers, so don't download that one, it won't help you. Make sure you have the red one, okay? So what you'll do is you'll click on the red app and you're going to go to the 310 class because that's our class, okay? And like I said, I updated it so that your home screen is now going to show the assignments, okay? So if you look at the top here, it says home, and you click on it and it will show you assignments. Now it's slightly different. So as you can see here, it has, for example, different categories of grades. So it has in-class essays, rewrites, and then homework, journals, and participation, okay? And then it has in-class materials and PowerPoints. So you want to make sure that you're careful about how you look at your Canvas app because it will show you different categories, okay? That's how you want to see it. So what you should do then is look at the ones that are due soon, right? So for example, you can see this rewrite is due September 19th, or sorry, schedule an appointment with me is due September 19th, right? You can also see that a lot of these assignments, they're going to be at the bottom instead of at the top. So like I said, I really recommend using your computer. It's a lot easier to see assignments that are due on the computer because on Canvas, on the app, it's not as clear to see which ones go to the top. It just organizes them in terms of what I post. It doesn't necessarily show the ones that are due first. Okay? So just be really careful. Like I said, I highly recommend just using your computer for that. All right, that should be everything. I do want to show you in class a more in-depth way of accessing Zoom meetings. So I will show you that again as well. But please, if you want to meet with me, if you have questions, please just let me know. Send me an email and I will try to make it happen as much as I can, okay? I know that our semester got off to a very rough start. Don't worry, I understand that it's been very challenging. It's been challenging for me as well. I'm also learning how to create a hybrid course. So you'll just have to have a little bit of patience with me, but understand that I won't be mean or harsh when I grade your papers. I'll be very understanding of the situation. All right, I'll see you guys on Thursday. Please email me again if you have any questions. Okay, talk to you soon.